Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and I recently shared a video with you of my Halloween stash, a whole bunch of items that I shared with you already. And just as I was sorting them out, I wanted to sort out the outdoor items and I wanted to sort out the miniature items. I went into this bin and I found that I had this trifold frame, which I forgot about. And it's going to be used in a creepy setting. I believe I got it at a yard sale. It was definitely thrifting that I got this, and I totally forgot that I had it. So I wanted to share it with you before I dismantled everything that I have here. I did share all of this with you, all the miniatures and all the Dollar Tree items, everything I've had for years. Now I did in that video, that specific video, I did tell you that I was going to let you hear this witch, and I forgot. So that is what it sounds like. I also have the ghost. Let's see so that you can hear this. Oh, maybe it doesn't work. Let's see. Probably doesn't work, but I heard it before. I don't know. Anyway, so you heard the witch, and this is new to you because I had not shared this with you. So you will see the rest of all these items again in different creations throughout October. I hope that you stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.